Getting to know each other.
A light-hearted chat. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am good, and you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's your name?
My name is Ali.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan. What about you?
I am from India.
Where do you live?
I live in Karachi. And you?
I live in Lahore.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old. And you?
I am 25 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I work at a bank.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother. What about you?
I have an elder sister.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. What about you?
Me too. I love visiting new places.
What's your favorite food?
I love biryani. What about you?
I really like pizza.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies. What about you?
I enjoy playing video games.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy pop music. What about you?
I like classical music.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak English and a little bit of French. What about you?
I can speak Urdu and Arabic.
What's your favorite season?
I love winter. What about you?
I prefer spring.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing badminton. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play cricket.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Interstellar. Do you like movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. Do you?
Not really, but I like eating good food.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy photography. What about you?
I like painting.
Do you like video games?
Yes, I do. What about you?
I love video games.
What is your dream job?
I want to be an engineer. And you?
I want to be a doctor.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What about you?
I like black.
Do you like reading newspaper?
Sometimes I read the news online. What about you?
Yes, I read the newspaper every morning.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have visited Turkey. Have you?
Yes. I have been to Dubai.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or visit friends. What about you?
I go shopping or watch a movie.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a night owl. And you?
I am a morning person.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Eid. What about you?
Me too.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like jogging. Do you?
Yes. I go to the gym.
Do you like dancing?
Not really. What about you?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I like watching dramas. What about you?
I prefer watching action series.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love mangoes. What about you?
I like apples.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee. And you?
I like tea.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach. What about you?
Me too.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new skills. What about you?
Same here.
Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy visiting art museums. What about you?
I like painting.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano. What about you?
I play the guitar.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose. What about you?
I love sunflowers.
Do you like watching movies at home or in the cinema?
I enjoy going to the cinema. What about you?
I like watching movies at home.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden. What about you?
I like growing flowers.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I enjoy rainy days. What about you?
I like sunny weather.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy concerts. What about you?
Me too.
Do you prefer working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team. What about you?
I like working alone.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food. What about you?
Me too.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake. What about you?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I love swimming. Do you?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you like reading before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax. What about you?
Sometimes I read before sleeping.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, surprises are fun. Do you?
I love surprises.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks. What about you?
I prefer hot drinks.
It was really nice talking to you, Ali.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Sarah.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely, I'd like that.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.